This way, buddy. This way.
Stand up.
Stand up. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Get a reel.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Point your pole out a little bit.
From this side.
Let go of it for a second, bud. Okay, grab the pole. Grab the pole.
Get him.
Feel it up.
Reel.
What a nice one.
That is a nice fish.
Hold him. You want to hold him?
No.
Nice job.